Hello everyone. In this video, you will learn how to play YouTube videos or music in the background on your phone. Whether you want to listen to music or any podcast or whatever from YouTube, while you can use other apps, we've got you covered. Let's start. In this tutorial, we aren't going to use the YouTube app for this method, as YouTube's official app doesn't support background playback for free users. So, to achieve background playback, just open any mobile browser on your screen, iPhone or iPad, to access the YouTube website. I choose Google Chrome here, and then search and go to YouTube.com on the tab. Now tap on the three dots, which represent menu option located below right corner of your browser. You'll see the Request Mobile Site option. Click on it. This will open the desktop version of the YouTube website. Now search for a video that you want to watch in the background. It can be any song or podcast, vlog, or whatever you want. Here, I'm going to open this podcast motivation here. So when we open it and play the video or music, we'll go to full screen. Now you can minimize the browser or lock your phone, and the audio should continue playing in the background. And there you have it, the tutorial on how to enjoy YouTube videos or music in the background on your phone. If you found this tutorial helpful, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more tech tips and tricks. Feel free to share your thoughts or ask any questions in the comments below. Thanks for watching and happy background listening. See you in the next video.